Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, my friend. How are you? Are you okay? Thanks, I'm fine too. As you can see, who tried to solve this question? Let's see if we solve. So what did he tell us in the question? X plus 4 times y is equal to 100. X and y are natural numbers. Asked us to find x, y values too. Now solving this question, I will benefit from two equations, friends. Then combine these equations. I will try to reveal one different correlation. I will continue to solve the problem that way. Let's start. First, 7 times x plus 4 times y, and I equate the expression I said to 0. So I'm trying to find one connection between x and y. In this case, please, this is 7 times x is equal to minus 4 times y's. Here is the expression we call x over y. Minus 4 divided by 7 will come. Of course it won't work for me. If I make it more regular, I'm the expression I call x. I say 4 times m and I say minus 7 times m to the expression I say y. Look at both. So I linked the x, y values to one parameter like m. Of course, what we call m here. One must be an integer. Let this be our first equation now. Now our second equation. I will continue with the part given in the question. I said 7 times x plus 4 times y is equal to 100. I'll think of any arbitrary numbers that provide this. For example, I said 7 times minus 100 plus 4 times 200. When we really calculate that it is equal to 100, we can say, look what I did here, I got x negative 100. I got the y 200. But the question is what he told me. At first, he said that x and y are natural numbers. This is our second equation, guys. Now this is 1 and 2. What can I do with the equation? I can collect, I'm trying to get something. If I add these two together, friend we call x, minus 100 plus 4 times m will come. If the friend we call y will come minus 7 times m plus 200. I say it again. We call m expression one whole number, friends. Now I think, what can we do next? Again, x and y are natural number. Because I think it is, so these are definitely, we can say it's bigger than 0. So let's write like this. Then, I know that minus 100 plus 4 times m is greater than 0. Also minus 7 times m. Plus 200, I know it's bigger than 0 again. It's 4 times m bigger than here. 100. If I divide both sides into 4, is bigger, 25 arrived. Let's edit this place, 200 is bigger than 7 times mo. Or if we want to write differently, 7 times m is smaller, 200. Both sides. Let's try to divide by 7. M is small. It's 200 divided by 7. Now I don't write this as 200 divided by 7. It won't work for me, guys. More like this. I can write it as a familiar number 1. M is small, we can say 28.5. Now look what happened. The number we call m. 25 to 28.5, and I knew what m was 1. I knew it was an integer. Then what will be the values that m can take? 26 can get 27 and 28 values. What should I do now? I know the equations of x and y. X separately for the values 26, 27, and 28 of May. I need to calculate y values. Then let's start. M is equal to 26. What was the equation we call x? Minus 100 plus 4 times m. I write 26 where I see a minus 100 plus 4 times 26. If I added a little more, as 4 from here, I got. Now let's repeat the same operations for y. E is negative 7 times m plus 200. This is minus 7 times m for 26. Plus, I said 200, I edited a little more, negative 182 plus 200 came. Look, we got this friend as 18 from here. Let's mark these, let's not call soon, where is it? Now x's, sorry m's. 27 value. We will calculate for x is equal to minus 100 plus 4 times m. Where we see m, we write 27 here, minus 100 plus 27 times 4. If I added a little more, x will come 8 from here. We call y equal negative 7 times m plus 200. Here is where we see m again. I'm writing 27 plus I said 200. After negative 189 plus 200 came. What is the value we call a from here? 11. Let's mark again. And finally, we will examine the situation where m is 28. Let's write it here, where m is 28. m is equal to 28. This is equal to negative 100 plus 4 times m. Negative 100 plus 4 times 27. When we continue a little more. Yes, what's coming from here? 12 has arrived. Right, yes. If we find the value we call y, we are minus 7 times m plus 200. Where we see m, we write 28. Here we have reached 4 results. In this case, look, these are ours again. Our other duos. What happened to the values we call x, y? Kiss comma y in brackets. Let's see what came first, just 4 to 18. 4. 18. What came second? Second, 8 to 11. Yes, 8 to 11. And finally, the other value. 12.4 came, so that satisfies this equation. These are our natural numbers. Please like and comment. Don't forget to add to your archive. This is the perfect question. In different methods. If you have solved this question, please comment. Don't forget to write again. See you, bye-bye.